Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. It's a KP's Quickie one, this one. It is my green pea hummus. Really quick and easy to do. Alright, get about 1 to 1.5 litres of water, get that up to a boil, put in some salt, as much or little as you want. I like to put a fair amount in with the vegetables. So we're just going to make sure that comes back up to a little bit of a boil. And all I'm simply going to do is add in some frozen green peas. Nothing wrong with using frozen peas at all. It just works out absolutely perfectly. Right, I'm going to put in about 1.5 cups worth of frozen green peas. Let them go. When it comes back to the boil, leave it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Take it off, strain it, and then we're going to bring it back and let that cool down to room temperature. That's all we need to do. In the meantime, I'm going to get my little food processor. Now, those peas are at room temp. We're going to just put those straight into our food processor, just like that. Now, for our flavourings, a good heaped tablespoon of tahini, beautiful sesame seed paste, that goes in, just like that. A little tiny squeeze of garlic, about 1 or maybe half a clove's worth of garlic paste, and I'm going to put in about 1/4 cup of olive oil. That can go straight in as well. Good squeeze of lemon, so be about 3 teaspoons worth. That goes in, just like that. And all we have to do now is give that a blitz. So put it in your food processor, let it spin away, grind up all those ingredients together. If it seems a bit thick, add a dash of water, and don't add too much, just add a little bit of water at a time until you get the consistency that you want out of your hummus. Really quick and easy. Now this works great just with crackers or on a wrap, sandwich, whatever, wherever you're going to use the normal hummus, and green peas are a great alternative. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that like button. We need all the help we can get. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something real quick and real easy, just like this, well, you need to come and join the family. Bye. We'll catch you next time. Bye.